In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix fingerprint not showing in settings. So, from your phone, you can open up your phone settings. You can scroll it down. Here you'll find this security. Scroll a bit more. If you are not able to see here this fingerprint option and this fingerprint option is missing, what you can do is click back and open up your system update. So the first thing you can do is to update your phone. In my case, my system is up to date. If your system is not updated, it will show here to update your phone. So after updating it, click back and open up this system. Here you'll find this reset options, and from here you need to open this reset all settings. This operation will restore some function settings to default, including function switches options, personalized settings, content field in during setup, and the all type of settings or missing features like fingerprint. You can simply reset all settings from this button, and this reset settings won't delete your data in mobile, but the changes you have made in settings will be set as default. If the problem is still not solved, you have to check your mobile to any mobile service shop. So these were the fixes to fix fingerprint option is not showing in settings or fingerprint option is missing.